Hello and welcome to another episode of the New to Australia series. Today, let's explore tram travel as an immersive experience. This is a tram stop, the place where you'll typically hop on and off a tram to travel around. Look for the signs that provide clear directions on where the trams from each platform will take you. Be sure to read all the safety instructions as well. Some tram stops, like this one, may also be in a free tram zone, but make sure you tap your travel card when you exit the free tram zone and have a valid ticket. Typically, one side of the platform will travel towards the city, while the other will head away from the city into the suburbs. However, this depends on where you're boarding the tram, so check the signs or use public transport apps for the tram stop number or route number. In Victoria, you have multiple options to find this information, such as the Public Transport Victoria website, the Tram Tracker app, or even Google Maps. There is also a physical tram timetable at stops, which looks something like this. Yet another option for you. This is the kiosk where you can recharge your travel card or check its balance. Currently, if you use an Android phone, you can use an NFC-based digital Mikey card to recharge and even tap on and off. You can also recharge your credit online. Now, let's hop onto a tram and head somewhere. Stay safely behind the yellow line on the platform and wait until the tram comes to a complete stop. Then, board the tram and tap your Mikey card on the scanner to touch on and start your journey. Now, sit back and enjoy the ride. Be sure to listen to the instructions and announcements about each stop. When you arrive at your destination, touch off at the same scanner before getting off the tram.
Stopping at Market Street.
That was tram travel for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more.